Go. Hi, my name is Sanrong. I'm from the national team for canoe sprint. Many athletes suffer from muscle aches and injuries on a daily basis, and they use cryotherapy to remedy these issues. Today, I'm here at Slimpify for not just any normal cryotherapy session, but a whole body cryotherapy session. Whole body cryotherapy, do you know what it is? Come check it out!
Why coldness is actually very important is to actually reduce inflammation in the body. So when you take away all this inflammation, right, then your body can focus better at repairing.
Hi, I just came out of the cryo chamber. How good was the session? Really good. But how cold was the session? Really cold. First of all, I feel much more energized right now, probably thanks to the improved circulation. Secondly, I feel much more relaxed right now, so I'm definitely looking forward to a good night's sleep tonight. You should definitely come down and give this a shot.